Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam when it's stuck in offline mode. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, we need to make sure Steam isn't already running in the background. In the bottom left corner of your screen, click on the search bar and type Task Manager. When the Task Manager app appears in the results, go ahead and click on it to open it up. Once Task Manager is open, scroll through the list of running applications until you find Steam. Right-click on Steam and select End Task from the menu that appears. This forces Steam to close completely, and it will automatically relaunch itself. Sometimes this simple restart is all it takes to get Steam back online. If Steam is still stuck in offline mode after relaunching, close the application completely again. Now find your Steam shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu. Right-click the Steam shortcut and select Run as Administrator. Running Steam with administrator privileges can help resolve connection issues that might be preventing it from going online. Once Steam opens, look in the upper left corner of the window and click on Steam. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Go Online. This directly tells Steam to reconnect to the internet and should switch it out of offline mode. If that doesn't solve the problem, we're going to clear Steam's download cache, which can sometimes get corrupted and cause connection issues. In the upper left corner again, click on Steam and this time select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, look at the left sidebar and click on Downloads. Now scroll down through the download settings until you find an option called Clear Download Cache. Right beside it, you'll see a button that says Clear Cache. Go ahead and click that button. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure. Click Confirm to proceed. After clearing the cache, Steam will need to restart and you'll be prompted to sign in again. Enter your credentials and log back into your account. If Steam is still refusing to go online, we need to check your system's time and date settings. Sometimes an incorrect system clock can prevent Steam from connecting to its servers. Close Steam completely, then right-click on the clock in the bottom right corner of your Windows taskbar. From the menu that appears, click Adjust Date and Time. In the Date and Time settings window, make sure the toggle for set time automatically is turned on. This ensures your computer always has the correct time. Then click the Sync Now button to immediately synchronize your system clock with the internet time server. Give it a moment to update, then try opening Steam again. And that should fix your Steam offline mode issue. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.